Good morning, YTPC. Piper and PR Edwin here for another video. How's everybody doing today? It's 6 in the morning. Birds are singing. It is what you would consider a cold morning here in Puerto Rico. It's about 82 degrees right now. This is great. All these days have been really, really hot. So before we start, a bit of housekeeping. Today I'm smoking on my crown jewel, bent Dublin. And I'm smoking a bit of Cornell and Deal's apricots and cream. It's the first time I'm smoking and it is delicious. So today's video, it's gonna be a VR for Rooster over at Blue Customs. If you haven't seen him, check him out. Rooster has a giveaway going, pretty good giveaway, an amazing giveaway if we're being honest. But me personally, I wanted to reply to his giveaway, do the VR, just because this one hits a bit close to home. So, Rooster wants us to talk a bit of why we love America, why we love this country. And if you are a veteran, let him know that you are a veteran, also in service or retired firefighter or police officer. Me, myself, I am a U.S. Army vet. 770th MP company, combat MPs, and I just want to say I am very proud of being that 1% of people that enlist and join the military service to fight for their country. Those were 8 really proud years for me. 8 years I learned a lot. I grew a lot. And I am really proud of my service. So I joined the military. I just turned 18 when I joined. No hesitations. Funny story is I was going to join the Marines at 17. And when it came to my house, so my dad could sign the papers, he ripped the papers. He said I wasn't going anywhere. Mind you, I come from a pretty big military family. Both grandfathers were veterans. I got 3 uncles who did service as well. 2 of them which went back to back on combat deployments. The elder one spent 2 years almost straight in Iraq. The youngest one went to Afghanistan, spent the year back, and had to leave again. So I come from a pretty big military background. And my dad didn't let me join the Marines, but when I turned 18, I went over to the Army recruitment office. I turned 18 on a Saturday. Monday morning I was there. And I came home and said, hey, I already took the ASVAB. I leave in 3 months. And that was it. My dad laughed. He said, yeah, I was waiting for this moment. I knew you were going to do this. You always wanted to be in the military, so it wasn't surprising. He was just trying to delay it a bit, I guess. And yeah, um, I got a lot of family in the States. I live in Puerto Rico myself, but I got a lot of family in the States. I got family in Delaware. I got family in Philadelphia. Um, I had an aunt who used to live in Arizona for years. I got family in Rochester, New York. You know, I got friends in Colorado and Tennessee, and I got friends all over the place. Puerto Rican friends, Milwaukee, Chicago. So, what makes me proud to be an American? What makes me proud of my country? It's the fact that if you're willing to put that extra mile in, you can make it. You can look for a way and make it and give your family a chance at a better life. There's also the fact that, hey, you can be whoever you want to be. We got all types of people in the US of A. All types of people. You know, I don't want to get into politics. I don't like politics, but America, the USA, is where people go when they want a second chance. And our country gives that to a lot of people, a second chance to make things better, to make a life for themselves, to make a life for their families. And that is really impressive. You don't see that anywhere else. And yeah, I'm proud to be an American. I'm really proud. So when Rooster said that he was going to do this giveaway, and this was going to be the theme on the 250th birthday of America, of the USA, I said, well, damn, I gotta get in this. And it's not even for the prizes. If I win, I mean, that would be awesome. That's great. But for me, this one hits home. It's been 80 years in service. And as many of you know, many who will watch this video and be brothers and sisters in arms, retired or in service firemen, policemen, people who serve, whose sole purpose is to serve for the rest of the community, we all know freedom isn't free. So I just want to say happy birthday, America. Happy 250th. If you guys haven't seen Blue Cord Customs, go check out his page. I will be tagging him down. Rooster is an amazing dude, man. He's also a vet. He was a cavalry vet. The dude is great. You know, great values, fun guy. He's not afraid to be himself. That's something that we all should aspire to be ourselves. A lot of times we just focus on what may other people like, and we forget about what do I like? Why do I have to be like others to please others? You want to please somebody? Please yourself. Please your family, your wife, your kids, your husband. Your family is all you got to please. So, once again, freedom isn't free, guys. Thank you to all the veterans, firefighters, policemen out there. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. So, thank you very much. And on that note, as always, stay fresh, stay safe, blessings, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.